Welcome to Gamcheon Culture Village in Busan, South Korea. One of the city's most iconic and colorful destinations. Perched on the steep hillsides of Saha District, Gamcheon is often called Korea's Santorini and the Machu Picchu of Busan thanks to its stacked pastel houses, winding alleys, and breathtaking views of the port below. Originally built in the 1920s-30s as a settlement for working-class families, the village later became home to the ascetic Taegeukdo religious community. For decades, residents lived in modest wooden homes, and poverty was a constant challenge. Everything changed in 2009 when the Ministry of Culture, Sports and Tourism launched a massive public art project. Artists, students, and locals came together to repaint homes, restore abandoned buildings, and fill the streets with whimsical murals and sculptures. Empty houses were transformed into galleries, museums, and cozy shops, while playful installations, from Little Prince characters to painted schools of fish guiding the alleyways, gave the village its unique charm. Today, Gamcheon Culture Village is one of Busan's most visited attractions, drawing millions of travelers each year. In this walking tour, you'll experience colorful hillside houses stacked like Lego blocks, each painted in vibrant shades. Street art and sculptures that turn every corner into a photo opportunity. Boutique shops and cafes hidden inside renovated homes. Panoramic viewpoints overlooking Busan's harbor and mountains. Labyrinth-like alleys that invite you to wander and discover hidden gems. As you walk through the village, you'll see how history, art, and community spirit have transformed Gamcheon from a struggling neighborhood into a thriving cultural hub. Whether you're planning your own trip to Busan or simply exploring from home, this tour will give you a taste of the creativity and resilience that make Gamcheon so special. If you enjoy this journey, don't forget to like, comment, Thanks so much for joining me on this walk through Gamcheon Culture Village. I hope you enjoyed exploring the colorful alleys and hidden gems with me. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with friends who love travel. I'll be back soon with more walking tours and adventures, so stay tuned, and I'll see you again in the next one.